Santham Academy. Welcome to Digital Kaksha. To get updates on new videos, click the subscribe button and the bell icon.
Hello students, here is your teacher with a chapter from Supplementary Reader Vistas. The first chapter of Vistas talks about the third level by Jack Finney. The protagonist of the story is Charlie, a 31-year-old who is a daily commuter. Lusa is Charlie's wife and Sam Weiner is a psychiatrist friend of Charlie. The story talks about the three levels of Grand Central Station at New York. So when he discussed this with his psychiatrist friend Sam Weiner, he was listening to him very patiently. After listening to the entire story of Charlie, he came to a conclusion. The conclusion said that Charlie is having waking dream wish fulfillment. He said, the psychiatrist friend said that this is what he is suffering from. His desire to have that wish fulfilled made him think so much that while he was awake, he had a dream and he felt it and he could experience it. But Charlie was considering it as reality. So he started to share his feeling with his psychiatrist friend. Every now and then related to the third level, he used to share with his friend. Now, the scenario was such that it was summer night and Charlie worked till late at night in the office. So while returning, he was in a hurry, he took a subway. The subway led him to a third level. And that third level was entirely different from the other two levels that were there. So Charlie was quite sure that he had experienced a third level. When he took the subway to reach his home a bit earlier, he reached to the third level and there he found some unusual things. The windows, the rooms were smaller, fewer ticket windows were there, and people there were dressed differently than present. He considered himself to be in 1894. There he found a piece of a newspaper. The name of the newspaper was The World, dated 11th June. And that date made him think that he had gone to the past. And there he was experiencing something different. So, the narrator goes to the ticket counter and asks for 2 tickets, one for himself and the other one for his wife Lusa. He wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois with his wife as he considered that place very peaceful, where the First World War was 20 years ahead and the Second World War 40 years ahead. He found himself at a particular time in the past which was really very peaceful. And so he asked at the ticket counter to have 2 tickets. The person at the ticket window told him that the currency is not the same that they need. So the narrator realized that he need to change his currency in order to get those 2 tickets. To his surprise, Charlie realized that he was in a trouble and the clerk at the ticket booking center was not ready to accept that currency. So he sensed that something wrong is coming. He did not want to be in jail even at that particular time, so he ran away from there in order to have a change of currency. So the next morning, Charlie withdrew $300 from his bank. And whereas those $300 got reduced to $200 only as it was exchanged to old currency. And his psychiatrist friend was worried at this act of his friend. But Charlie was not caring about anything because he desperately wanted to reach to the third level. And when he wanted to reach there, he was quite determined to work and to get those tickets anyhow. Since it was the year 1894, the narrator, after exchanging the money, the currency, he was in search of the third level again. But this time, he was unable to find the third level. So he was desperate to get that third level again because he had already experienced once. Now, his wife Lusa and his friend Sam, they were very much worried. Sam disappears suddenly. And this made Charlie understand that, yes, the third level do exist. Now, Charlie was believing that Sam is also living in 1894. After the narrator believed that now Sam is also living in 1894, he was in search of some proofs. And one of the proofs that he found was the cover letter. Let me tell you what is a cover letter. Cover letters, when a new stamp is introduced, people are actually posting a blank page with that stamp pasted on it to themselves. When Charlie was searching the cover letters that he had, he found one of the cover letters which was not opened, and it was mailed to his grandfather's address in Galesburg. He found that letter was sent to him by Sam, and it bears a 6-cent stamp with a picture of President Garfield. At that time, the president was Garfield. So that was the first stamp when it was introduced. It was posted on his grandfather's address in Galesburg. The narrator found it. This was another proof that there was a third level. The envelope that contained the letter of Sam helped him prove that, yes, third level was there. Even Sam mentioned the existence of third level in that letter. He encouraged Charlie to keep looking for the third level because it's worth it. After this incident, the narrator wanted to have a reality check on Sam. He wanted to know whether Sam also believed in the existence of third level. And he found that Sam had bought $800 worth of old style currency. This money was sufficient to set up a hay, feed and grain business because at that time where Sam had reached, there wasn't any profession of psychiatrist. So he had to start a business there of hay, feeding one and grain business. So even the story ends up saying that the dream of Charlie could become even reality for Sam, a psychiatrist. Who was a psychiatrist, he got influenced by the views of Charlie, his friend, and started to believe that yes, the third level existed. Children, many a times we feel that I had a dream last night and I felt that I had seen that same thing somewhere. Sometimes it happens that you are unable to make out whether it was a dream or a reality. Yes, this is what reality and the virtual world. Sam was well versed with reality as well as he was talking of the virtual world. He was able to balance both, and so he was giving an opinion that everyone, those who were there to believe his story, would experience the third level. So, students, we might come across such virtual world and reality, but there we should understand that there should be a proper balancing between them. Then only everything works out for good. Otherwise, people will take us to the psychiatrist talking about, I don't know what are the things they are talking about. So I hope that the lesson was an interesting one for you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more.